Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have the Rose War PANTYPOWER box, RWPP. So let me tell you all about this. Let's get in here. So the Rose War PANTYPOWER box is a box that is for your special time of the month or any time of the month. There is a lot of flexibility in this box, and as we get into it, I will tell you all about it. This is sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest opinion. And I know I say that every time I tell you something is free for review, but it is absolutely true. First of all, I don't take boxes that I don't think that I'll like. I get offered things that I absolutely decline to have on the channel because I don't think it's a perfect fit for us, or I don't think I'm gonna like it. So right away, if I'm showing it to you guys, you know I already think that it's a good box. It is $37.50 per month, but that is with free shipping. And when we open it up, that is what it looks like. My paperwork just fell out. I will tell you about that in a minute. But it has nice tissue paper over it, and it is sealed. And that is what we have on the inside. And yep, you see snacks, because this is definitely the perfect time for snacks. Okay, gloss is up. And I will tell you, this is my March box. So if you sign up now, you will get the April box, but I'm sure it will be equally wonderful. This is the Welcome to March, Let Spring Begin. And that is what that looks like. And on the inside, it will tell us about each of the products that we received. You will receive in this box period products, lifestyle products, snacks, and some pretty new underwear. But if you don't need the period products for whatever reason, menopause, if you're pregnant, whatever the reason, you can just let them know, and instead of getting the period products, you get an extra lifestyle product, which I think is really great because not everybody needs it. And also, unless you change it, you will receive both pads and tampons. Let me get in here and show you what you receive as I talk about it. It'll make more sense. You receive both pads and tampons. You get 15 products, and the pads are in different sizes. And then you also receive the tampons in a couple of sizes. But if you want all pads, you just let them know, or all tampons, you just let them know. Or if you don't need either, like I said, you just let them know, and you will get an extra lifestyle product, which I think is fantastic because it's a great box, but not everybody needs this. Also, these are all organic. Also fantastic. I just, there's so many things to love about this box. Getting back into what we saw on top. So for our snacks, to help ease us through that time, we have combos, stuffed snacks, pizzeria baked pretzel. Yes, that's, There's just nothing else to say to that. Yes, please, We have a Velveeta blueberry 4 breakfast biscuits. And that's what that looks like. That sounds delicious. I love, see, these are things that don't come out in normal makeup unboxings. I love blueberries. I just love blueberries. Next I have, some hard candies. It is Vita Lemon C. And that is what they look like. I wish I could read the other writing on there. That is so interesting. But what I can read, it says Vita Lemon C. So it's probably like a lemon head type thing. Yum. I might be hungry now. I did a makeup video a few days ago where I kept referring to things as food products, and underneath somebody wrote, "Were you maybe hungry?" It happens. Definitely happens. Then we have a Kind Kids Chewy Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip Bar. You do not have to be a kid. That sounds delicious. I will be eating that. Kids don't have to eat that. And that's what we have for our snacks. Something else we get each month is the Psst, You're a Genius. And it's by Good Wipes. And they are just wipes to help keep you clean. And we get a couple of those to try each month. Next on top, we have our underwear. And when you sign up for this box, you go in and you let them know what size you are. They carry a small to a 3X. And my first one, which I'm going to show you very quickly. This one might make me blush a little. Am I blushing? I think I might be blushing a little bit. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out the front from the back. Never a good sign for me. Okay, this is the front. So it has 2 straps, and the straps say love. How cute is that? Definitely blushing. I can feel the warmth rising in my cheeks. Oh my goodness. And then this is the back. I'm not gonna go any further than that, but that is the back. I like it. They're very cute. I'm not saying they won't get worn. I'm just saying I'm a little blushy. And something else about the box. I'm still blushing. You will get 2 pair of panties. Usually you will get a hipster or a brief, something like that, and you will get a thong. If you only want thongs, you can let them know. If you want no thongs, you can also let them know. This one is fantastic. It is a full brief, but it is black, and it's one of those ones with the disappearing edges again so that you don't end up with panty lines. So it's like one of those polyester ones. And I like that it is a full brief in black because that's when I want to not have panty lines. I don't worry about it so much with jeans, but like if I had put on a pair of black slacks. So that's perfect. So you get 2 pairs of underwear. And next we have our 3 lifestyle products. So reaching in right off the top, I have something in bubble wrap. Still blushy. And I have an Illuminati. We've gotten this brand, I think, in a Boxycharm, right? Let me know if you think I'm right. It is the Illuminati Quad Palette, and that is what it looks like. It's very pretty. It meets all of my requirements. It has the skin tone color that I like so that I can do all over, and it has what you could use as a transition and as a darker smoky outside edge. That is really pretty. Let's see how they swatch. Well, it's much creamier than I anticipated in a quad. It feels really nice. Colors are really pretty. The brown is even creamy. Those are very, very creamy. Those swatched so nicely. I hope that comes across. I'm sure you can barely see the skin tone color, but those are very, very pretty, and they swatched really nicely. This says that the Illuminati Cosmetics Quad Eyeshadow Palette has a $21 value. That's a little pricey for a quad, but it did swatch very nicely. Also, as we go in for our next lifestyle product, the underwear, they say each pair has a value of $8 to $25. This is the Zion Health Instant Ageless, Instant Youthful Appearance Date Cream. I don't know anything. I think Zion, they might carry this at Whole Foods. So this might be a clean brand because I think I might have seen this at Whole Foods. It says that it is hypoallergenic, active peptides, fragrance-free, and it has vitamin C in it, which I know 99% of people love, but I can't use vitamin C, so I'm not going to swatch this because I don't want to not be able to give it away then. Oh, it comes in a really nice bottle with a nice pump up top. Yeah, I definitely feel like I have seen this brand at Whole Foods. Instant firming, instant lifting, and it firms sagging tissues. And it is made in the USA, and it has a $39.99 value. That is awesome, and I wish I could use it, but I just can't use vitamin C on my face, but I will find it a good home, I promise. And next we have the Chambar Manuka Honey and Mango Butter 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner Bar, 100% sulfate free. This is really interesting. It says Soothe, Hydrate, and Awaken, and it has a $15 value. Chambar's Hydrate formula is designed to volumize and moisturize. Made with mango butter and Manuka honey, this tropical treat will leave your locks super soft with an unparalleled shine. All right, well, let's see what this looks and smells like. I used a shampoo bar years ago. It was a Lush bar. Lush does shampoo bars, and I really liked it. And I just didn't replace it when I was done. This would be great for like traveling because then you're not dealing with any liquids. It even feels soft. Oh, it smells good. I can smell the mango. That is really, really, I'm gonna try it. If I don't love it, my husband will love it, but I'm definitely gonna try it. That is what it looks like out of the packaging. It just says Chambar on it. So it's a good size, and you get it wet and you get your hair wet and you just do it right on your head. At least that's how you did the Lush one. Yes, wet your Chambar, lather directly into hair, massage into scalp, rinse, and feel fantastic. All right, that's fun. That is what we received in our March Rose War Panty Power. So if you get this box and you don't make any change to it, you will get the 15 assorted period products, and they have a $9 value. Your undies, which each have a $8 to $25 value. So even if they are both only $8, this has a $16 value. We get 2 of the Good Wipes, Psst, you're a genius, and our snacks, which is always a good idea. And then we have our 3 lifestyle products, and this month it was the Illuminati Eyeshadow Quad, the Zion Health Instant Ageless Moisturizer, and the Chambar Hydrate, which is a shampoo and conditioner bar. I cannot wait to try. And my 3 lifestyle products had a $76 value. So this is a $37 box, and we have $9 in value in the period products, at least $16 to $50 in value in the undies, and then $76 in lifestyle products. And that's not counting the value that the snacks, and they have value, the value that the snacks and the little Virginia's wipes add to the box. So even if I value the underwear at its lowest value and I don't count the things that I didn't count, my box still has a $101 value, which I personally think is fantastic. So let me know below, what do you guys think? Have any of you done the box? Or if you have you made any changes to it? I just really like this. I like that it's a little pick-me-up, that it comes with the things you need, that each month you end up with a couple cute pair of underwear, that there's some snacks in there to try, because as a rule, I don't buy those snacks for around here, so they are fun to try. And then the lifestyle products, and I wouldn't have bought this, but I am so excited to try it. Anyway, thanks for coming by, guys. Oh, and I haven't mentioned the best part. I've got to start paying more attention. I will put the link and my code below, Kathrin30, and if you use my code, Kathrin30, you will get 30% off your first box. I know, I should have led with that. 30% off your first box if you use Kathrin30, and I will put the link below. Thanks again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.